Hi, my name is Jacquelyn Butler, and I'm a real estate agent with over 20 years in real estate in the state of Texas. I also sell solar panels. I work with Apricot Solar. I'm one of independent contractors with Apricot, and the installs are done by Freedom Forever, which is ranked number three. We're ranked number three in the U.S. as far as installs. If you give me a call, I can give you a free analysis on your solar panels. And if you show that you're not saving any money, we're not pushy, we would like to see people save. I got solar myself February this year, and I have saved over $100 a month since I've gotten solar, especially with the Texas heat being in three temps, over 100 most of the summer. I would love to invite you to give me a call. Contact me. My contact information is on my channel. Also, I would like for you to subscribe, like, comment, and also share my channel. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments or give me a call with my contact information. I'll be glad to answer any questions about solar. Talk to you later. Thank you.